welcome to the News on Map series of Drishti IAS. Let us begin with the practice question of the last segment. Consider the following statements. The Greater Antilles lie to the south of the Lesser Antilles. Cuba is the westernmost island of the Greater Antilles, while Jamaica is the easternmost. Here we have to select the correct statement or statements. Let us look at the map. So, the Greater Antilles actually lie to the north and not the south of the Lesser Antilles. So, first statement becomes incorrect. Cuba is the westernmost island. Let us see. Cuba is, yes, the westernmost island of the Greater Antilles, and Puerto Rico, which is a territory of USA, is the easternmost, not Jamaica. So, first statement is not correct, and also the second statement is not correct. So, which ones are correct? Neither one nor two. Option D is the correct answer over here. Next question is related to Peru, because there is a lot of chaos that is going on in Peru. Peru's new government has declared a 30-day national emergency, and that is amidst the violent protest after the ousting of the former president Pedro Castillo. So now we have to talk about the statements. We have to consider the statements with respect to Peru. It lies entirely between Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. It shares its borders with Chile and Brazil, but not Colombia. So here we have to select the correct statement. Peru is a country in South America. It is on the western coast of South America. And yes, it lies to the south of Equator and to the north of the Tropic of Capricorn. So it is entirely lying between these two important latitudes. It shares its borders with Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Bolivia and Chile. So first statement is correct, but not the second. Only one is correct. Option A is the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next segment, next set of questions, 15 oil vessels blocked at Turkish straits. Here we are talking about two important straits that will be shown on map amidst EU sanctions on Russian oil. So the question goes like, we have to consider the pairs, the straits and the water bodies which they are lying between. Bosporus Strait, Black Sea and Sea of Marmara, Bab el-Mandeb, Persian Gulf and Red Sea, Dardanelles Strait, Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. So we have to see how many pairs are correct. So Bosporus Strait, Bosporus Strait joins Black Sea to Sea of Marmara, and this is one of the Turkish strait. Second one is the Dardanelles Strait, which lies between Sea of Marmara and the Aegean Sea. Alright, so Black Sea and Sea of Marmara is connected by the Bosporus Strait. First is correct. Bab el-Mandeb, let us see, Bab el-Mandeb lies between the Red Sea and the Gulf of Eden and not between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Eden. So that makes the first statement, first pair correct. Second is not correct, and Dardanelles Strait. Let us see Dardanelles Strait, which joins Sea of Marmara, and this is the Dardanelles Strait joining Sea of Marmara with the Aegean Sea. Okay, so first pair is correctly matched, not the second, and third is also correct. Two pairs only is going to be the correct answer over here. Next set of questions, let's move on and talk about them. So, Russian strategic bombers patrol over Sea of Japan according to Defense Ministry of Russia. So, let's consider the statements with respect to Sea of Japan only. It is connected with the Okhotsk Sea in the north by Korea Strait. It is bounded by 4 countries only. We have to select the not correct statement. So, let's see the Sea of Japan. Sea of Japan, also known as East Sea, is one of the disputed regions in Asia, and it is joined with the Sea of Okhotsk with the help of La Perouse Strait and Tatar Strait, and not the Korea Strait. Sea of Japan is joined with the help of Korea Strait to East China Sea. Okay, so that makes the first statement to be not correct. It is bounded by Japan, South Korea, North Korea and Russia, and not China. So 4 countries, it is bound by 4 countries. So first statement is not correct, second is correct, one only will be the correct answer because here we had to select the not correct one. Moving ahead, recently top security officials from Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan arrived in New Delhi for the first India Central Asia meeting of National Security Advisors. Central Asia is becoming increasingly important for India. So if a straight vertical line is drawn from the north of Kazakhstan to Afghanistan in such a manner that Kazakhstan is divided into 2 equal halves, then which of the following statements is correct? Okay, first one is the line drawn will not pass through Uzbekistan. Second, Aral Sea will lie to the east of the drawn line. The drawn line will pass through Kyrgyzstan, and the line drawn will pass through river Sir Darya. So this is Kazakhstan. I am drawing a straight line, almost a straight line, and it is dividing Kazakhstan into two equal halves. The line will pass through Uzbekistan. So first statement is not correct. Then one more was that Aral Sea will lie to the east of the line. No, Aral Sea will lie to the west of the line. This also becomes not correct. Here is the Sir Darya river. It is passing, this line is passing through Sir Darya river. So that makes the fourth option to be correct. Third, the drawn line will pass through Kyrgyzstan. No, the drawn line will not pass through Kyrgyzstan. Okay. So that makes option D to be the correct answer. These kind of questions will help you to acclimatize with regions most probably. Iran's foreign ministry summoned the Chinese ambassador to Tehran late Saturday to protest a statement related to 3 disputed islands in the Persian Gulf. Here we are talking about the Greater Town, Lesser Town and Abu Musa Island. So arrange the following from north to south. Bandar Abbas, Greater Town, Abu Musa, Lesser Town. Let us see the map. So here is Bandar Abbas, and that is to the north relatively as we compare it to the other regions. Then we have Greater Town over here. To the south, west of it we have the Lesser Town, and then Abu Musa Island. These all are in the Persian Gulf disputed. Alright, so that makes first Bandar Abbas, then Greater Town, then we have Lesser Town, fourth, and then we have Abu Musa 3. 1, 2, 4, 3 is the correct answer. Alright, option B is correct over here. Let us move ahead and talk about the next question. Temperatures in the Arctic Circle have been rising much more quickly than those in the rest of the planet. So let us see the question. If a person sails from Chukchi Sea to Norwegian Sea in a clockwise direction, then what is the correct order of the water bodies that may fall during the journey? So these are the many options. Here we will move from Chukchi Sea over here to Norwegian Sea. So first we will encounter East Siberian Sea, then Laptev Sea, then Kara, and finally Barents, and then we will reach the Norwegian Sea. So East Siberian Sea is first, then Laptev, then Kara, and then Barents. Option A is correct over here. Moving ahead, on December 11, 2022, Guatemala's Fuego volcano erupted, releasing a huge pile of ash and smoke into the atmosphere. So we have to consider the pairs. We have to match the volcanoes with the country. Fuego, Philippines. Merapi, Iceland. Fagra das Fial, Italy. Etna, Indonesia. Pinatubo, Guatemala. First, let's write like this: A, B, C, D, E. So Fuego, first we'll see Fuego. Fuego is in Guatemala, which has recently erupted. Okay. Then next one is Merapi. Merapi is in Indonesia, Java island of Indonesia. Then we have Fagra das Fial, that is in Iceland. After that, we have Mount Etna in Sicily, Italy. Okay. Then also the next one is Pinatubo, which is in the Luzon island of Philippines. Alright. And I think that was all. Yes. Fuego is in Guatemala, so A 5. Merapi is in Indonesia. B 4. Fagra das Fial is in Iceland. C 2. Etna is in Sicily, that is Italy. D 3. And Pinatubo is in Philippines. E 1. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1 is the correct answer. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, option D will be correct over here. Let us move ahead to the next set of questions. Lake Tanganyika, the longest lake in the world, is shared by which of the following countries? Burundi, DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, Tanzania, Malawi. We have to choose the correct answer. So, Lake Tanganyika is shared between Burundi, Tanzania, Zambia, Democratic Republic of Congo, but not Malawi. So, first, second and third is the correct answer. Malawi is not a part of it. 1, 2, 3 option C is the correct one. Let's move ahead and talk about the next set of questions. Consider the following statements with respect to the Union Territories of Delhi. Dadra and Nagar Haveli lie to the south of the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. Mahe is the northernmost region of Puducherry, whereas Karaikal is the southernmost. Except Mahe, all other 3 regions of Puducherry are on the eastern coast of India. So we have to select the correct answer. Dadra and Nagar Haveli lie to the south of Daman and Diu. Let us see. Dadra and Nagar Haveli are here. They lie to the south of Daman and Diu. That is correct. So first statement is definitely correct. Then Mahe is the northernmost region of Puducherry. Let us see. Where is Mahe? No, Mahe is not the northernmost region of Puducherry, but Yanam is. So second statement becomes incorrect. Okay. Then except Mahe, all other 3 regions of Puducherry are on the eastern coast of India. Let us see. Except Mahe. Yes, Mahe is in Kerala, in the western coast, but all other 3 are in the eastern coast. Karaikal, Yanam and Puducherry itself. So, first statement and third are correct, not the second. Only 2 statements is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions with respect to Dokala. Which of the following is correct? It lies to the north of Thimphu, which is of course in Bhutan. It lies to the northeast of Nathula Pass. It lies to the east of Sakting Wildlife Sanctuary. It lies to the southwest of Siliguri Corridor. So, this region has been again in the news because of the Tawang clash. Memories of Dokala or Doklam standoff still prevails in the news. That is why this question has been asked. Dokala is over here. It is to the west of Thimphu. Okay, not north. So, first is not correct. Then, here is Nathula. It is to the northeast of Nathula. That makes the second statement to be correct. It lies to the east of Sakting Wildlife Sanctuary. Here is Sakting Wildlife Sanctuary in Bhutan, and it is to the west. Okay, here, somewhere here, because it is to the south of Doklam Plateau. So, that is also not correct. Okay, and it lies to the southwest of Siliguri Corridor. Lies to the southwest of Siliguri Corridor. Siliguri Corridor lies over here. So, that is not correct. Okay, this corridor is known as Siliguri Corridor. So, that is not correct. Only the second statement is correct. B is the correct answer over here. Next question, in a move for the conservation and management of dolphins of the Gujarat coast, the Forest Department has initiated counting of the dolphins. So, which of the following is not a west flowing river? Machu River was very much in the news. Machu River, Rukmavati River, Bhukhi River or Musi River. See, the first 3, Bhukhi River, then Machu River and Rukmavati River. These all are west flowing rivers. These all are found in Gulf of Kutch. And Musi River is the tributary of Krishna River. It's an east flowing river. Okay, so option D here is going to be the correct answer. Alright, option D is correct over here. Moving on to the next set. Vijay Divas or Victory Day is being celebrated today because of liberation of Bangladesh by India. So consider the following statements. Bangladesh shares its borders with 6 Indian states only. Myanmar shares its borders with 4 Indian states only. Only 1 Indian state shares its borders with both Bangladesh and Myanmar. So we have to select the correct one. See, Bangladesh shares its borders with West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Alright. So first statement is not correct. 5 states only. Myanmar shares its borders with 4 Indian states only. Myanmar shares its borders with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. And there is 1 Indian state, that is Mizoram, that shares its borders with both Myanmar and Bangladesh. So of course, third statement is correct. Second statement is also correct, but first is not. 2 statements only is going to be the correct answer over here. Moving on to the next set of questions. So consider the following countries: Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. Which of the following have a border with Afghanistan? Among the given options, Afghanistan shares its borders with Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, but not Kyrgyzstan or Kazakhstan or Azerbaijan. Okay, so Tajikistan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan are correct. Tajikistan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. 3, 4 and 5 are going to be the correct answer. This was asked in this year's prelim itself. Let's move on to the practice question. The Muhuri River is a tributary of which of the following rivers? Teesta, Barak, Karnapuli, Feni. You have to answer it correctly, and correctly in the comment segment means I will take the names of first top 10 students in here. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated.